If you want to set up automations on Google Pixel 10a, you can go to Settings. Over here, we can scroll down and choose the System option, and then we have the Rules option in here. We can turn on this option, Allow Location for Rules. Over here, we can tap on Next in order to let the app always run in the background. We can also toggle automatic suggestions, so your phone will see pretty much what changes you do at a given time based on the location as well. And if there is like a pattern, like for example, if you enter your workplace and then you quickly turn on the silent mode, then your phone can probably pick it up. So over here we can press Add Rule in order to create that rule, and it can be based on the Wi-Fi network or on the location. So you can choose the rule type, and then we can choose what should happen when we either connect to the specific Wi-Fi network or if we approach the specific location. So we can turn on the ND mode, we can set the device to be in silent mode, we can set it to the vibrate mode or to the ring mode. We can also send notification when a rule takes effect. And then once you set it up, you can just use the Add button. Unfortunately, these automation options really are not so rich in content, I guess, if I can say it like that. There are very little things that we can do, very small changes. Nevertheless, they can be quite helpful. Besides that, remember that you can also use the modes option. You can create your own mode, which can be set to custom. And then based on a schedule, you can make some changes, like for example, you can apply some notification filters, and you can apply display settings in here as well. Leave a like and subscribe.